Hi friends, welcome back to Hobby Baker's kitchen. Today I'm going to bake some super moist, super spongy and amazing chocolate cake. You can frost this cake with whipped cream, ganache, buttercream, Swiss meringue buttercream, and it also holds well under the fondant and also the tiered cakes. Look at those crumbs. It's a beautiful recipe I'm gonna share with you guys today. Please try it out and let me know how you like it. Firstly, I will prepare the buttermilk. I'm adding some vinegar to the milk and I'm gonna set it aside for 10 minutes. Here I'm gonna sift all the dry ingredients. Firstly, the all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, sugar. Oops, my sugar had lumps. I'm gonna break it down now. Baking soda, baking powder, salt. Let's sift it all together with the help of a whisk. This is also a 1 bowl chocolate cake. You can actually dump everything into 1 bowl. I have kept them separately because I had to show what ingredients I'm putting in. Let's make a well in the center of the dry ingredients and let's add a buttermilk, warm coffee, oil. I'm just going to break down the eggs a little bit and then add them. I have 3 eggs here. I'm going to add that also. And some vanilla extract. I'm going to whisk it all together a little bit and then I will switch to my hand mixer. Now I'm going to beat it in my hand mixer for exactly 1 minute or until everything is combined well. And also I'm going to use my spatula in between to get in all the dry ingredients and also scoop at the bottom once, and I'm gonna beat it till we have the homogeneous mixture. We should not be overbeating here, not more than a minute at least. This looks perfect. I'm gonna transfer this into the baking pans now. I have 3 6-inch baking pans. I'm transferring into all the 3 of them and tapping it to knock off the air bubbles. These will go into my oven, which is preheated at 180 degrees for 22 to 26 minutes or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. My cakes are out of the oven after 24 minutes and these look perfect and my house smells amazing. So I'm gonna let them cool on the wire rack for 10 minutes and then I will run a sharp thin knife around the edges and take out the cake. I should have dusted my pans with the cocoa powder, but I did it with the all-purpose flour because I was running short of the cocoa powder. But make sure you use cocoa powder instead of all-purpose flour so that we won't have that white stuff around the cakes. These are awesome. Look how soft the cakes are. These are soft, spongy. Look at that. This is one of the amazing recipes I have come up with. Let's cut the cake and see how the crumbs look. This is perfect. Look at those crumbs. Super moist, spongy, and you don't even need sugar syrup under it. Believe me, I never use sugar syrup under this cake because it's moist as is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. You have a good one.